Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gemini AI image not generating. Is Gemini not generating image when you ask it to? Don't worry, this is the common issue and you can fix it by following this simple step. First, check your internet connection. Image generation needs a strong and stable connection. For that, swipe down from top right corner of the phone. This will open the control center. From here, you can switch Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds and turn it back off. After that, refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using Gemini AI in browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it again. This clear temporary glitches and make sure your image generation is available in your region and account. Some features may be limited based on the location or the account type. If you are recently signed in, wait a few minutes and try again. If you are using Gemini in browser, clear cache and cookies. Old data can stop image from loading correctly. After clearing them, restart the browser and try again. And make sure your app is updated. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Gemini AI and open it. And make sure your app is updated. An outdated app can cause the error in image generating. Also, try your prompt. Avoid long and complex prompt. Use simple words and be clear about what image you want. If still image doesn't generate, restart your device. This helps clear memory issues that can affect image tool. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video useful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.